Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you a quick video on counterbalancing beads that go inside your tire in replacement of the weights. And a couple quick little things about this. First of all, they are tiny little beads that go again on the inside, and they use centrifugal force and counter force inside the tire to constantly balance the tire. The reason why this is valuable is not only do you get a consistent balance and a more precise balance, which helps with tire wear and fuel mileage, but you also get it's cheaper, and you get the ability to like rotate tires and not worry about a new shimmy in your tire, in your steering wheel. A lot of times when you rotate tires, the wear from the back tires goes on the front, and then things start to shimmy and you go back to the shop and have them rebalance. A lot of shops aren't very precise, or their machines aren't calibrated very well sometimes to accommodate all the different size tires and balance it. So this is a great alternative. In addition to that, it's especially with this tool, the injection pump tool, it is so easy to install on the vehicle. I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, there are a few methods to install this. Again, I mentioned this is by far the easiest. However, if and when you put new tires on, you can throw a bag in at that time on the inside. You can, as a homeowner, if you'd like, take off the tire. If you have a tool, break the bead, open it up, throw a bag in. But if you want quick and easy, you use this injection pump, and slowly, you need an air compressor. Once the air is going through the line, slowly rotate the beads, which will start going in the line and then inject into the tire. You can probably hear them. Super fast, super easy method. Well worth the cost of the tool, especially if you will ever be using this again on other cars or other sets of tires. And there it is, that simple.